Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. One of the themes in this channel for the past several years has been how more and more devices wish to connect to the internet, they want to connect to the cloud, they want to connect to your computer in order to function and work. This is starting to become a norm. And one of the problems with this is that many manufacturers are now able to take back features and functionality from a device that is cloud connected, which is why I could suggest that people purchase devices that do not have to be connected to a computer in order to work. So many of us have just been conditioned to plugging things into a computer that we don't even realize just how badly things can go wrong. Back in the day, I used to believe that when it came to practicing safe sex, this was really only something I had to worry about if I was including somebody else. But because we live in 2024, we are in such dangerous times that I have to worry about getting a virus even if I'm fucking myself. And trust me, I'm an expert. I know how to fix a sex toy. In all seriousness, if you check this out from r/malware, you will find out that you can indeed get a virus from fucking yourself. Bought a small vibrator from the mall. It's got a cap you remove and a USB port to charge, so it's literally a vibrator flash drive. Plugged it into my computer to charge without any thought. Open my web browser and a file is instantly downloaded without opening any web pages. Malwarebytes has flagged it as malware and stopped the download. I still got to see the download file and the download link. Caution, this is the malware download link, and it's some Mia Khalifa.zip, and something tells me what's in there is not porn, but still something that's gonna fuck you. This was the link, any pros in here, but check it out and tell me WTF it was. So let's go over the mistakes that this individual made. The first, this individual plugged it into the wrong port. The first port that you're supposed to plug this into is yourself. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't help myself. This video could go on for 8 hours based on how mature I am. The second port that you're supposed to plug this shit into is a charger. In my opinion, just for your own personal security, and hell, just to make sure you don't accidentally plug in a USB kill to something that is much more valuable than an external charger, I suggest that anytime you're charging something, whether it is your cell phone or a malware-ridden dildo, that you plug this into an external USB or USB-C charger rather than your computer, because this way you are more secure. You are not simply more secure from getting a virus, you are also more secure from a USB kill or of it just being a bad device. I would rather blow a $2 charger than a $1,000 laptop. Secondly, there is absolutely no fucking reason in 2024 to be connecting a vibrator or a dildo to a computer. The technology has evolved. Before computers existed, they had multiple vibration profiles in these things. There is absolutely nothing that you gain from attaching it to a computer. You can charge it just fine from an external charger. You want to download different vibration profiles? You want to save the statistic? I don't give a fuck. Don't connect this shit to your computer. A dildo belongs in one of two places. Plugged into you, plugged into an external charger. That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something. And if you want to learn how to fix sex toys so that they're reusable, I highly suggest you check out the playlist that I'm going to include in the description down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.